My worst ideas keep outperforming my best ideas, which begs the question, is my judgment about myself even accurate? And the big revelation for me, since I've just been posting stuff and not filtering myself before people see it, is that like my worst ideas are also quite often my easiest, like my laziest, I just like throw it away and I'm just like, oh, you can't use that. I used to just delete stuff all the time and I'd wait for the really good one to come. Like, oh yeah, I'll record like 20 videos today. I'll get the best one and I'll just post that. Looking back, it's the worst strategy of all time. I should have just posted absolutely everything and then let the mirror that is the algorithms reflect back to me what truly does work. It's loosening me up, man. I'm not trying to be this polished, perfect person anymore. I'm not trying to make the best content of my life every time. And it's just has such a knock-on effect, like such a ripple effect. Everything gets easier when you take the pressure off yourself. And the more different ways you can remove that pressure and move outside your comfort zone and just experiment and relax. Don't worry about being embarrassed. Don't worry about getting it wrong. Don't worry about what everybody else is doing. Just be you a bunch of different ways, because it's all you, and then just see what resonates. Because the thing with the easy stuff too, the lazy stuff, the stuff that I say, the bad content that's outperforming the exceptional content, is it's much more easy to reproduce. And what does the content library want from us? It just simply wants more. More of what people are already consuming, more of what people already like, more of what is already bringing people value. So you don't have to overthink it, you don't have to figure it all out, you just need to start experimenting. And that's what we're all about here at Fast Authentic Video. If you'd like to join a community of people that are living and breathing this philosophy and getting their own results extremely rapidly, come and do some challenges with us. Click the link in the description.